Hello guys, Namaskar, I'm Ronathan. Welcome back to my channel, The Bong Connection. So today I'm going to pay a tribute to the legendary singer S.P. Balasubramaniam sir, who has sung so many songs in the Telugu industry, Tamil industry. In this down south, he was a legend, and also in the Indian film industry, he has sung many songs. The most prominent album from which I remember the songs is from Roja. I was just a little kid, and I remember my mom used to listen to them, my father used to listen to them, and I grew up on that soundtrack. And it's Ye Hasi Madhya, then Roja Jane Man. So these songs are actually classic songs. And recently I also stumbled upon the song. What was the song that had Shri Devi as well as Ramcharan's father, Chiranjeevi, yes, I forgot. So both of them, they sung that song, and I didn't know that then actually, but now I know, and he is a beautiful singer. He has such a great voice. He passed away actually on 25th September, I reckon, right? When did he pass away? It's 25th September 2020, so may his soul rest in peace, because he was a very talented singer. We have definitely lost a huge legend. So let's react to, so I decided to react to one of his songs, and if you want me to react to more of his songs, please comment down below your thoughts and suggestions. I would love to do reactions to all the Roja songs and other songs of S.P. Balasubramaniam sir. So comment down below your thoughts and suggestions. This is actually a live video where he's singing a song from the movie Roja, one of my favorite songs from this soundtrack. This is Ye Hasi Madhya. So this is sung by Chitra ma'am and Balasubramaniam sir. But let's react to this, and yeah, let's reminisce all the memories in 3, 2, 1, and go. Music gives me chills every time I listen to it.
ये हंसी वादियाँ ये खुला आसमां, आ गए हम कहाँ है मेरे साजना। इन बहारों में दिल की कली खिल गई, मुझको तुम जो मिले हर खुशी मिल गई।
तेरे होठों पे है हुस्न की बिजलियाँ, तेरे गालों पे है जुल्फ की बदलियाँ, तेरे बालों की खुशबू से महकी चमन, संगे मर के जैसा ये तेरा बदन।
मेरी जाने जा, मैं तेरी चांदनी, छेड़ लो तुम आज कोई प्यार की रागिनी।
ये हंसी वादियाँ ये खुला आसमां,
आ गए हम कहाँ है मेरे साजना।
Their voices fuse so well together.
ये बंधन है प्यार का, देखो टूटे न सजनी।
ये जन्मों का साथ है, देखो छूटे न सजना।
तेरे महल की छाँव के तले मेरी मंजिल मुझे मिल गई।
तेरी पलकों की छाँव के तले मोहब्बत मुझे मिल गई।
ये हंसी वादियाँ ये खुला आसमां,
आ गए हम कहाँ है मेरे साजना।
इन बहारों में दिल की कली खिल गई।
मुझको तुम जो मिले हर खुशी मिल गई।
ये हंसी वादियाँ ये खुला आसमां,
आ गए हम कहाँ है मेरे साजना।
Like I'm transported to a world.
जी करता है साजना दिल में तुमको बिठा लूं।
आ मस्ती की रात में अपना तुमको बना लूं।
उठने लगे हैं तूफान क्यों मेरे सीने में ऐसा लग।
तुम्हें चाहूँगा दिलो जान से, मेरी जाने जा तेरी कसम।
ये हंसी वादियाँ ये खुला आसमां,
आ गए हम कहाँ ऐ मेरे जाने जा।
इन बहारों में दिल की कली खिल गई।
मुझको तुम जो मिले हर खुशी मिल गई।
मेरी जाने जा मैं तेरी चांदनी। छेड़ लो तुम आज कोई प्यार की रागिनी।
ये हंसी वादियाँ
ये खुला आसमां,
आ गए हम कहाँ
ऐ मेरे साजना।
ऐ हंसी वादियाँ
ये खुला आसमां,
आ गए हम कहाँ।
ऐ मेरे साजना।
Wow. Brilliant. It was brilliant. See why he's called a legend. Like in this song, which is actually a classic number, he did so many variations. Both of them did so many variations of the song, and like I love that. Like each and every time that you hear the antara, the mukhra, they are similar but yet they are so different and unique because they added their own personality to it, own twist to it, and I love that. Like the pitch, he shifted the pitch from high to low, and it's so much ease. Oh my god, this guy has vocals of God for God, and whenever you listen to his vocals, it touches your heart, it pierces your heart at the same time. The female singer, we know how legendary both of them are. The fusion of these beautiful voices coming together definitely gives you chills. I had chills all over my body throughout the whole reaction, and oh my god, this song is it's haunting. It's like it's very haunting. It's very weird, but it's very haunting. When you listen to it, you cannot just sit and be normal, because it will definitely give you goosebumps and it will definitely pierce your heart, and it has that quality to it, and if you just close your eyes and listen to it, you will feel that you're transfixed and you are transported to a new world, to a new dimension. Everything is beautiful and heavenly around you, and you are in a flower bed filled with butterflies, beautiful flowers, trees, and nature is at its best. Blue skies. I just felt like that. Whenever I listen to this song, I feel like that. Such a soothing and calming song. Definitely miss his voice. Like, it's a huge loss again to every film industry, because he was a legend and he has such a unique personality, and it comes out, it reflects through his voice. So definitely a huge loss. I hope that we can, his soul rests in peace, and I hope that I can react to more of his songs because I love his voice. And yes, I was not really accustomed to all his songs before, but I recently discovered him, and I will listen to more of his songs. Like, I was a kid when I heard him before first, but I never knew his name before. But as I watched more and more Telugu songs, Tamil songs, South Indian songs, I came across this brilliant singer, and now I want to listen to him more. So yeah, guys, comment down your thoughts and suggestions, what you thought about this song, what are your thoughts, how much nostalgic the song is for you, and recommend some amazing more songs of the legendary Balasubramaniam sir. So guys, that was my reaction and thoughts. Please put a thumbs up, comment down your thoughts and suggestions, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet. Help me reach the 20,000 subscriber mark. I'll be seeing you guys again. Until then, keep watching, liking, subscribing, sharing the love. Ciao.